Well, welcome guys to back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surface to get unlimited money. So you go on Google Chrome, then you see Lucky Patcher. You download it on Google Chrome. You go and then search Lucky Patcher, then put mobile. When it shows you put mobile, so and then download it, and then when it's done, everything done, go on Lucky Patcher and then put create modified epic file, then click epic rebuild for in-app and LVL in emulation. Click on it and put rebuild the app. Then you leave it there until it saves something. You leave it there, don't touch the screen or nothing. Just leave it there. You wait until it says that. When it says that, put go on file to file. Then do this. Hold on Subway that says Subway Surface and then point V, point 1, point 6, point 5, all that. Click it and then put install, uninstall, and install. Okay. And then uninstall. And then go back and then put unknown resources again, and then download Lucky Patcher. Subway Surface again. Alright, open the app. Now finish the tutorial. Alright, it says that. Click double board. And that's it. Now die. Alright. After you do that, you see I have $0. Okay. Go to shop. Go to earn coins. No, not store. Alright. Watch this. See? See? If y'all think I'm lying, look. Do this explain y'all? See? Alright. Thank you so much for supporting me. If y'all like the video, please put that up button. If y'all don't, click that down button. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.